Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Valorant require dependency error. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on your start option or button right here at the lower left corner of your screen and search for services. Okay, so let's just go ahead and read. Then once you're here, just go ahead and find the VGC. So right here. So you need to make sure that the startup type is not disabled. So if your startup type is disabled, what you need to do is to right click on it, click on properties. Here on startup type, select automatic. Okay, now click on apply and OK. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and restart your device. And that should help you with your problem. Okay, but if it doesn't still work or if you're still experiencing the error, what you can do is to again click on the start button, click on settings. Now select apps. And now what you need to do is to search for Riot Vanguard. So click on it and click on uninstall. Now click on uninstall button, click on yes. Again, click on yes. So I'm sorry about the noise. So here, click on yes. So this will completely uninstall Riot Vanguard from your computer. Games that depend on its functionality will stop working. So just go ahead and click on yes. So once you've uninstalled the Riot Vanguard, you just need to open again your Valorant and that should automatically install the Riot Vanguard. Okay? So now again restart your device and after that open the game and that should fix Valorant required dependency error on your computer. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.